Hello, I hope you are well. Today we are going to learn about a donation from. Look at that, here has a donation from. By this from, your donor can donate in your site by one time or monthly or quarterly or annually, or you can choose any extra option to show here. Then your donor can choose any budget from here, or they can choose any custom amount. They also can write their comment here. Then they should click on next. They should fill up their information and then next. Then they can donate by PayPal, or we also can set up here our Stripe account. Now we going to set up the from our this WordPress website. It is our WordPress site. For that, at first we should go to browser. Before go to browser, look at that which step we will follow in this tutorial. For accepting donation payments on your WordPress website is an extremely as well as monthly, annually, weekly, recurring donation. First step, make account, then about dashboard, then run a campaign or make the form, then connect with your PayPal or Stripe account, then connect with the form with WordPress. We also can make a pop-up form. It will be better than as it is from. Okay, now go to browser, then write down donor box. Then go to donorbox.org. When you can hover on login, then you will get the worthy login. If you do not make any account here, then click on worthy sign up. Then fill up the form, your organization name, then first name, then last name, your organization email and your password. Then you should agree with this and this. Then click on sign up. After that, they will ask you to verify your mail, so they will provide you a link in your mail. Just click open your mail and click on the verification link. That's all. After that, they will verify your account. I already make an account, so click on login. Here I should write down my mail and password. Click on login. It is our donor box dashboard. So here first option is campaign. You can run a campaign. Some minutes later we will learn about it. Look at that, make a account. Our make account process was completed. So now about dashboard. Here has a campaign option, then events, then membership. I do not recommend you to choose it. Then donation, then recurring plan. In recurring plans and donations, you will get your donor and recurring plan information. Then supporters, no need this. It is very important for our account. Here has our organization info. You can change your organization information, then upload your logo, then upload your website, then you can choose the currency. If you want, you also can join their mailing list. It is the non-profit info. Organization type non-profit, we select it when we make the account. Then you can choose the information from here, but I do not want to increase the video length, so I skip that. you also can change your information from here, or you can close your account. Then account info, then invite team member, account email notification. Now our most important process is payment processor. We'll choose it some minutes later. Billing performance. The other option is two-factor authentication. You can enable it, so when you will try to log in the account, they will authenticate by a code. It is our short description about dashboard. Now we are going to run a campaign. Click on campaign. Click on new campaign. Click on new donation form. Here you should write your campaign title. You can choose anything here. From language auto detects, you can choose from here English. Then goal of amount, it is optional, so I skip it. Then create donation form. It is the form. You can change the primary color, but I do not want to change. Donation interval, you can choose here one time, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. We already choose 4, so we cannot choose other. You can select any 4 from here, then set as default. The default interval will be pre-selected. One time I want to choose it monthly, and I want to remove the weekly and bi-weekly. I choose from here quarterly and annually. Recommended interval will be indicated with a heart icon, so you can recommend them. I recommend them quarterly. Call to action message, no need it. Click on create campaign. Okay, our campaign is created. So now we should connect our PayPal or Stripe account with our donor box. For that, click on account, then payment processor. At first we will going to connect our Stripe account. For that, click on already have a Stripe account. Then you should write down your mail here, but I do not want to show the information, so I make some screenshot. Write your mail, and then they will ask you to write down your password. Then you should write your PayPal phone number, or you can add your any mobile number. Then tell us about your business. You should add some information about your business. After that, you should write your website here, then product description. Here you should write about your website. Then where should we send your payouts? Here you should add your bank account information, routing number, accounts number. Your bank account must be a checking account. Then confirm your account number. Here has the customer statement information. After that, they will ask you to review your all information. If you want to change anything, then you can change from here. Now we are going to connect our PayPal account. I already connected it. It is very easiest step. Here they will show a field for add your PayPal mail. Then just add it, and then they will ask you to edit some information. Write your SSN number, then your date of birth, then home address exactly with matching with your PayPal account. Then just click on submit. That's all. After that, connect the form with WordPress. For that, log in your WordPress account. Write your username here and the password, then you can choose it, then click on login. Click on pages, then select the page where you want to add the form. I am going to choose it, edit with DB. Then go to the donor box and click on campaign. From here, it is our form. Click on embed codes. Embed from copy code to clipboard. It will look like this one. I am going to add it here, regular. Then you can add the code from any builder. Put down the code here. Then save the page. Then open the page, view. Look at that, it is successfully show here, and we should test it. Donate $10 monthly. So we successfully added it as a simple form. Now we are going to add it as a pop-up. Okay, for that, go to donate now in the page and go to donor box. Then click here pop-up from, copy the code. The button will look like it, and if you want to change the color, if you want, you can remove the icon from here. Click on hide the logo. Then now copy the code, then go to your site, and select anywhere. I'm going to add it here. Then click on save. Reload it. Click on donate. Okay, it is working finally. So after end the video, we learn how to add a recurring form in a donation website. I hope the video is really helpful for you. Do not forget to subscribe the channel if the video is really help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.